In recent years, artificial intelligence has moved from the domain of research labs and billion-pound tech giants to something far more accessible and democratized. Just as software as a service revolutionized the way we use software, artificial intelligence as a service, or AI and AIaaS, is transforming the way we access and deploy machine learning and AI capabilities. But what exactly is AI as a service? How is it different from traditional AI development? And why are so many businesses, from scrappy startups to major corporations, now embracing this model? AI as a service refers to the delivery of AI tools and frameworks via the cloud. Much like SaaS platforms provide hosted software that users can access without installing anything on their own servers, AI as a service providers allow businesses to tap into ready-to-use AI capabilities, from natural language processing and image recognition to predictive analytics and chatbot frameworks, without building those technologies from scratch. In other words, AI as a service brings powerful AI tools to companies that might not have the technical talent, resources, or time to develop such tools internally. It removes the steep learning curve associated with AI adoption, and it lowers the barrier to entry for smaller businesses looking to become data-driven. AI as a service providers typically offer pre-trained models and APIs, application programming interfaces, that clients can integrate into their existing software or services. These APIs cover a wide range of AI functions, including voice and speech recognition, computer vision, sentiment analysis, recommendation engines, and more. Some platforms also allow custom model training on company-specific data, but without the need to manage the back-end infrastructure. These services are usually hosted on scalable cloud platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. As with SaaS, AI as a service is subscription-based, often tiered according to usage, features, or data needs. The appeal of AI as a service is simple: speed, scale, and affordability. Before the emergence of AI as a service, deploying AI within a business typically meant hiring a team of data scientists, engineers, and machine learning experts, a costly and time-consuming process. Infrastructure needed to be built and maintained, and models had to be developed, tested, and continually refined. For many small to mid-sized enterprises, this was simply out of reach. With AI as a service, the infrastructure, talent, and software are bundled into a single service that can be accessed on demand. A startup launching a new app can now add a voice assistant or facial recognition feature without writing a single line of machine learning code. A marketing agency can plug in sentiment analysis to evaluate brand reputation across social media. Even HR teams can use AI as a service to screen CVs and identify the best candidates. One of the reasons AI as a service has taken off so quickly is the sheer variety of ways in which it can be used across sectors. In healthcare, AI as a service tools are being used to interpret medical images, predict disease progression, and streamline administrative tasks. In retail, AI-driven recommendation engines and customer segmentation tools help brands improve personalization. Financial firms are using AI as a service for fraud detection, automated trading, and credit scoring. Even the public sector is exploring AI as a service to improve service delivery and analyze complex data sets. Because these tools are pre-trained and ready to deploy, companies don't need to understand the inner workings of AI models. They can simply plug in the service and start using it. The AI as a service industry is booming, with major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offering extensive AI tools that make machine learning more accessible. As AI models grow more advanced, capable of real-time learning and adaptation, businesses increasingly rely on AI as a service to stay competitive. However, rising adoption brings greater focus on ethics, data privacy, and bias, prompting regulators to seek transparency and accountability. AI as a service blends the scalability of SaaS with AI's transformative power, enabling everyone from solo developers to global enterprises to innovate quickly without building from scratch. As technology evolves and ethical standards firm up, AI as a service is set to become the standard way we engage with artificial intelligence in the coming decade.